about the butterflies.
Do it again?
The pigeons. Yeah.
Wow, made out of wood, huh?
Yeah, that's
you made that?
Yeah. This is a toys. This is a toys for the children who started to the walk.
Ah.
This is a walk.
Walking.
That's right, walking toys.
Because then they were, yeah, they're right.
You must have a put.
Right. Wow, nice. And then he made this. It's out of like wood here.
That's right. Have a
and then they used to scare the birds, but now it's just a children's toy. Huh. Very anything else special?
The Chinese games and the kendama.
Yeah, I know this game. Yeah, you put.
This is
yeah.
This is a yo-yo.
What's the shoe about?
A shoe. This is a learning for the trainers. Yeah, that's right.
Oh, to learn how to tie their shoe.
Tie the shoes. That's right. This is a motorical game, just like this and a little cheese and a little worm who going around the cheese. A piece of cheese. Right.
Wow.
Trains,
so like very
dominoes.
Old games.
This is Australian dominoes and band dominoes. It's different dominoes, not just.
Dominoes, right.
I have a trio dominoes, about triangles, shapes, and the classical dominoes.
That's one thing I learned when I was in Turkey, and I go to all the museums there. They've been having wood toys for thousands of years.
Yeah, because this is a very special wood box.
Yeah.
Many people don't walk this because you must many learn.
Right. So that takes a long time to learn how to do it.
I'm a machine, and I'm working just like I work with metals. All my life I work with metals, but this is my hobby.
You work with metals, but do this as a hobby.
I love the metals. I love the wood. I love all the materials in this world because I love the crafts, the handworks.
Yeah. Well, good. Very nice. You make the yo-yo too?
That's right, yeah.